by being at the Whisper event. You know, when you're like around people who have their periods, so I'm like, does that actually happen though? Do you think? Is cycle
I'm
syncing
sorry.
not a thing?
I'm so sorry. I hate to break this, guys, but cycle syncing is not a scientific phenomena. It's called the McClintock effect, and I will shut up right about now. But we were actually trying to rebrand the whole thing by talking about what we like about our periods, which is a very difficult conversation to have because there's not a lot that we like.
Yeah, I mean, mentally, I feel like I get a free pass to have a bad mood on my period. That's maybe a good thing, no? Like, I can be like shouting and I'm like, I have my period, it's fine. I'm bleeding. It's okay.
All the chutti.
Yeah, no, not, I mean, I don't take chutti on my period, but it's an excuse to eat junk food and like comfort food, I feel. Yeah, that's about it.
But like, okay, so we've gone over the good stuff, but what is the stuff you hate about your period?
It's pain, quite a bit of pain, especially on the first 2 days. Like the cramps are really bad. Uh, the mood swings because you don't know why you're crying so much, and it's like, oh, okay, now I get why I've been crying for the past 2 days. It's because I'm getting my period, and just not being able to wear like what you wanted to wear mentally in your head. You know, you've like decided your outfit, and then you get your period, and you're like, oh, you know, I can't wear what I plan to wear. So yeah.
The
To name a
stains
few.
are the stains are really worth hating. I mean, it's the cramps, it's the stains, it's the being constantly annoyed. It's not fun really. But I mean, I'm glad that there's stuff that's changing with our life that's changing as we're updating in life. Period products are getting updated, but have you seen that there was a change in how you had your period before you became an actor and then after, and like how you were able to deal with it with changing products?
I mean, before, I think, as you said, the technology has gotten so advanced. Before, I think I would be really nervous to make the smallest of movements. I would feel like I'm going to stain something, like either stain my clothes or stain like the surface that I'm sitting on. But I think now, especially with the Whisper, the curve wear technology, which is one of a kind. It's not only in India, but I think globally also, it's the first time that it's happening. I really feel free enough to move without the fear of staining something, because that definitely does make you feel embarrassed. So I think that's definitely something that's changed. I'm way I can work out now because I'm not scared of, as staining. I'm not scared of that itchiness or that those rashes that come, because I was scared that with my period and then with working out also, is that going to like combine a sort of like rash or make it itchy. But it's also because now the Whisper pad is also super soft. They have a very soft, thick layer on top, and even the absorption is super strong. So that actually makes me do a lot more things than I could before.
That's really cool. And I like that there's a focus on like real. So how do you feel, being Whispers, new face? You very
Yes.
pretty face.
I feel great because, this is something that I've always spoken about. And normally when I'm like in a room and I'm like, oh, I have my period, everyone's like, shh, like, why are you saying it loudly? Like, say something else. Say like, it's my time of the month, or mera wo chal raha hai, or one of those things. But like, I'm like, let's talk about it. The only way we're going to get the taboo removed or, destigmatize it is by actually talking about it. So yeah, I'm really happy to be talking about something and being associated with a brand that actually talks about something that I believe in so strongly.
That's really cool. And I feel like we've done a lot of like this excitement building. So do we want to see the ad and
Oh, you haven't
actually
seen
see
it?
what we're talking about?
It comes before videos on YouTube. I have to see it. I'm like, I want to watch my video. We have to move?
I don't know. Do we
No,
move?
it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I posted also actually. I think everyone's seen it. We'll show you again. Are you playing it?
I just say it's so refreshing to see red blood in a
Yeah,
pad ad
right?
and not blue ink.
Oh my God, that's so misleading for young women, right? To see those in ads. Even when they like cover the pad packet in like newspapers and they give it to you at a chemist shop, I've never understood that ever.
Big black telly
Yeah.
and periods must never be said out loud. But I also love how inclusive it is. Like there's different body types and stuff.
Exactly, yeah.
It's really cool. And the real problem that everybody who's ever had a period has gone through is कि sweater बांध के घूम रहे हैं because stain
Oh
लग
my
गया है और किसी को
God.
बता नहीं सकते.
Yeah, yeah. And the butt checking, I'm constantly like standing up and I'm like, is there spotting? Is there something? Is there like, so yeah, that's a real problem. And then there are obviously real solutions now for those problems.
I love that. While we've talked about all of this, I think it's also important we actually do check out the product now. So do we want to go do that?
Yes. We have to go somewhere now.
Do we go? Do we get it?
We can be here. It's coming to us.
I would request both of you all to please come and join us and unveil the.
So be a scientist clearly with these glasses.
I mean, the vibe matches.
Yeah,
Why not?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm still struggling. Sorry.
Sure. I mean,
Thank you. Wow, wow, magic. Goes into your hand and it works.
it's the look.
I think, I mean, since we in touch with the body, we're going to try and slide something thin between the star-shaped vulva and the pad that we have. You want to have a go?
Okay. So I clearly have the whisper pad with the curve technology.
It looks very cushy, I have to say. I want to sleep on it.
it's not. Nothing's going through
Oh
it.
wow, oh wow, that was quick.
Okay, guys.
We,
Nothing is going through.
It actually looks really, really cushy, I do have to say. I mean, aside from the
Super soft.
thing not going in, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually
It
really
is
soft.
really
That must be
soft.
really nice to not get rashes.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool.
And it's like big, like the size.
It's very pillowy, I have to say. That's the one word that keeps coming to my mind when I look at it. Thank you.
I'm done with this look.
It just get distracting.
Yeah, I was like, there's something on my face. But
It's almost like the distraction you get when you think you're having a stain and you can't concentrate
Yeah,
in class because you're like, oh my
exactly.
god, stain lag gaya, leak ho gaya hai.
Exactly.
And on that note, I will, with the excellent plug that I just did, we will demonstrate the no leak technology.
Yes. This is the fun part.
Yet again, we have two pads, and we're going to talk about how, we're going to show you actually how the very, very cushy and very, very pillowy whisper pad is doing what we're saying it's doing.
Give us the blood.
Go ahead. Oh my god! They really did give you the blood you wanted, huh?
So now we have to let it absorb.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in that while, actually, I'm going to ask you, have you ever had like
That
an
was a
embarrassing,
disaster.
which is what most periods are.
Yes.
I'm going to ask you, have you had like an embarrassing getting stained or something story?
Oh my god. I mean, so when I was in school, when I was in like when I was like 14 or 15, and it was like the first few years that I, was dealing with my period and everything. I was actually, it was my sports day competition, and I ran my race and everything, and I won. I came second, and before they gave us the awards, we had to sit in like on like benches and wait for the awards to be announced. So I won the race. I was really happy and everything, and then I sat down, and then when I stood up to get up to, get the award, I had stained myself because I didn't know I was getting my period. And then my friend's mom was like, she came to me and she's like, oh my god, your pants are stained, like go and change. So I went to the bathroom. I could hear my name being announced like on the thing, but I couldn't go to collect my award because I was so embarrassed. Like I thought that everyone had like seen the stain. So yeah, pretty scarring for sure.
And I think each one of us in this room has a story like this. I remember Saturday ko school mein white uniform hota tha, baki din ke alawa. And that white uniform, if you're on your period, my God, it used to be a nightmare, always constantly thinking about it. In every class, you're like, check kar stain to nahi hai, check kar stain to nahi hai. You know, that whole exercise, it's so much of a hassle. And I think staining and leaking is something we all struggle with. So it's really cool to see that. I mean, I can see that most of the blood on that is already
Even
gone.
some of your blood has absorbed on this pad. Let's try. Hey.
Okay, wow. So this is already staining right away. And that is looking
have,
like
like,
a
no
wonderful
stain.
cushion. The pillow analogy does not leave my mind. But this is really, really cool, and I'm so glad to see that, you know, we're getting these innovations and we're getting things that actually work for our bodies and that fit our bodies. So, yay!
Yay technology, yay whisper.
So that's how we demonstrated the no gap and the no leak stuff. And welcome to the launch. I'm excited you guys are here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Ananya, and thank you so much, Dr. Kiptris. After the demonstration, it's time to unveil the product. Can I request both of you all to